In this video, we are going to go through processing commission statements via downloads. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to our downloads. And in here, you see that I have a commission file in here, and you can see the type is commission. And I had already selected the process button here. And you can see that there's an incomplete notice here. So when you get this incomplete, it is letting you know that it is not matching all of the commissions in this file. So in this case, this is this top one that it has matched, and we know it's matched because it's blue and there's no orange on this customer. So you want to make sure it's not going to match if the policy number is not the same, and then also the effective date. Those have to be the same in order for it to match up in JenesisNow. And this is the only client that I have put in here so that it matched. If you wanted to see the other ones, if they matched, you could click the match button, and if it matched, it would turn blue like the other one. If it's not in the system, you can create this policy. And what this looks like is this. You would select the company, and then you would select the producer it goes under. And then if the client is not in the system, if you have looked for the client and they're not in there, then you can select this box and create policy, and it'll make a new client and add that policy to that client. If the client is in the system but the policy was not, then you could simply select that client and then create policy. So it will not make a new client, it'll just create a new policy for this client. So I've already processed this one. So now if we wanted to go and look at it in reports, we could go over to reports, and we are going to select the Commission Manager Admin report. And if you want to see the commission and your producer, you'll want to just make sure that you add the producer over into your available columns. And then if you wanted to add up the producer's commission, like it does the agency commission, we are going to move the producer and producer commission over to the far right and then click the sum button. And we are going to select the statement date. This was an old file, so we are going back to 2014 for this one. And now I'm going to select View Report. These are the ones I have done in a previous video. This one down here is the one that I have done for the downloads. Now it has come in, added the commission amount to this policy. Total commission amount was $133.56. And then if we scroll over, we can see that the producer commission was $20.03, and this calculated what was in that producer or user profile. So the total agency commission is $113.53. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about downloads and commissions, please let us know.